All right. How's everybody doing? Let's get this thing started. Sorry guys about the sound. I was listening to some videos ahead of time. So I got it figured out now, I think. Gonna have it so we can look on here. Bam! And just like that, guys, the video intro is over. Let me see if I can get over here to the market cap for us. I know I got it here somewhere. There we go. Let's go back to the market cap. Come join me. Hey, say hi when you're here so I know. Hey, Jason. Yeah, I messed up, buddy. I had my speakers on, looking at YouTube videos, so hopefully it's not messed up anymore. I got the deep voice again? No! Changes here. See if maybe that'll change it. Does that change it any? I hope so. So, let me, I don't have my earbuds in. At least I can hear some music. That'd be about all I can hear. So, how's the voice? Still deep? Real deep? Hey, G, nice to see you, buddy. It appears I am flying solo tonight. Mr. Pierre is in Medellin still, so I'm going to try to do my best to do the best by my humble audience. Really? It's deep? Still? Let me see. I don't know if this will... CPU's not overtaxed, so if I change the setting, I don't know what's gonna happen. What about now? How about now? Is that better? Is it very demonic? No, I don't want to talk real deep. I don't know why my mic does that from time to time, guys. Kind of slow. If you guys saw my screen, let me see if I close down some of this stuff, if it's gonna help us out here. Let me close that down, close that down, close that down. I don't even know what I'm closing anymore. Just closing a bunch of windows down. Let me close down that, close down that. I'll leave Restream going. Hopefully that audio and video is out of sync as well. Wow, yeah, I've got way too much stuff going, guys. If you look at the bottom of my screen, this is just the stuff I have pinned to my taskbar. Also have, like, a bunch of windows open and in Google, so I do have a deep voice, but not, like, crazy deep like I know that happens on here sometimes. I'm also streaming at a higher resolution tonight, so that could be part of the problem. I apologize. Hopefully it gets better. Let's see. What do I have that I can close down over here? Don't want to close any of that down. All my Word documents are closing, so maybe that'll help out. I've got, gosh, you know, this week we were supposed to have Warren on tonight, but because of the time difference, this actually is going to be in the middle of his meeting that he has. We have Kevin coming on tomorrow. He is the CEO of Specular. He's coming on. Wednesday, Warren will be coming on. And I do have a message out there for the CEO of Stellite. Let me make sure. Got all right, so let me see. Nope, nothing on there from him yet, but again, it's like 6 something in the morning for him right now, so hopefully that gets better. Has my voice improved any, guys? I don't even know how to stop that. Let me just delete that. Let me I've got a lot of stuff going, man. See, all of this stuff will be better for us. So anyway, tonight, Doc took the night off. Do me a solid and get some shares out there like we do every night, and we'll go over everything we can. Hey, what's up, Zeph? Oh, so my super radio voice is like uber deep right now. I did change the microphone setting just now. I don't know if that's going to do anything or not. Hopefully it's not like crazy. Is it still crazy low? I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Don't know how to change it. I don't think there's any setting on here other than, let me see. I just got too much stuff going. Killer? Never know. No, not a serial killer. Hopefully it comes back, guys. Other than stopping it and starting it over again, I don't know what to do to fix it on here. And be honest with you, I don't know that there is, other than maybe changing the resolution of the video down. Got the Barry White going. So, all right. Well, I apologize, guys. Other than stopping the stream and starting it over or doing something like that, there's not much I can do. So, bear with it. We'll plug through this and make it a short show, since it's me by myself anyway. And we will, let's get into it. So the market cap has dropped from yesterday. Let me just reload it. It was at 4 something yesterday. So it has come down. BTC dominance at 37.7. You can see we got a lot of reds. So I've been getting a lot of bot messages about stuff dropping. Look at there, Verge up, surprisingly enough, after the bath we took with it. Everything's going down except Bitcoin private up 17.9%. Let's see. Verge and Bitcoin private so far, only thing up. Looks like we're going through a correction right now. Decentraland up 10.13%. Let's see where ETN is. Try not to scroll too terribly fast. I probably went right past. It's down 3.76. That's 2 days in a row that it's gone down. I can say the cigarettes make my voice go low. So, guys, let's look. We'll give you the big view here. We got ETN. These are things that a lot of people on here are 2.3 cents, 1.1 million volume for today. That's still pretty good. Let's go to we'll go to T-bar. We'll make that number 2 today. T-bar down 6.58 to 35.9 cents. Syndicate now. So a lot of stuff has been has been dropping today, so typical Monday, I think, which was a little bit surprising. I really thought it'd be mixed red-green, but it's more just red. So again, we're playing through the hurt times. We'll go over the bot, we'll go over the staking and master noding and all of that good stuff. I've actually been trying to look into more master nodes. There's some really cheap ones out there. I just haven't gotten into the coins too much. I've just been doing a little bit of the pool. We'll go over the pool as well, Zaf. So I'm glad to see you here, bud. Down, this Stellite won't even, I don't even think it shows up on Coin Market. Let's go XTL. Stellite, it is there. Okay, Stellite, it's down as well. Looks like big today down. So, but everything else is down pretty big too, so I'm not concerned about it. Looking at the pool. Where is the pool? Come over here. Kryptonite mining pool. We're overdue for a block. This is that once a day, it seems like, stretch where we don't hit for a while. But if we go to pool blocks, it appears on the 30th we've hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. Pretty good. Let's go to the top 10 miners. Where am I? I am here. I am number 6. I usually stay around 6. Looks like we've got, I don't know who is number 1. Ending in D50. It's got 37 kilohash in the pool. Looks like we've got, I don't know. What's your wallet? I don't know your wallet address. So Andy's number 5. You're right ahead of me, Andy. So I know Tony said he's got a miner down that's like 14 kilohash. So he's missing that. I would imagine Tony's still up here somewhere. Where he's at on the list. You're number 5 now? You're 5. So you're 7 VB. Alright, 7 VB is Zaf. I'm still at, where am I? 4.7. I gotta refresh. It hasn't updated these stats. Let me reload. See where we're at. Everything's changing up. Alright, 4.7 is me. 4.9 is Zaf. Everything's changing, so one just dropped out, a 25. Looks like the 25 either jumped up to 35 or down to 18. So is number 10 right now. So definitely got people mining. What gets me excited about this pool is we're having a pretty consistent stream coming in of payouts. I mean, you can see I've been in here since the 25th when we took the pool back over and been in on every single block. I like it. I like it a lot. So, which Chris? Sam? I know about 10 Chris's. Which Chris? We offered Chris to come on the show yesterday. He said he wasn't ready yet. So, if you're talking about Chris from Now New, he's got an open invitation. He can come on whenever he's ready. And we do have some guests this week. I'm hoping that the Stellite CEO, he said that he would bring some of his team members in and we would be able to meet him and some of his team. They could talk about their project. We have Specular CEO coming on. He's actually one of the guys that's in our group. He's in our uCrypto group. We started a new group for people that have used the HopperBot referral links today, called the uCrypto Hopper group, and that's down. The Hopper's taking a beating, gonna tell you. So I've been looking at some things on there to possibly change. So we definitely need. We're down about 4 miners right now. We need to get those 4 miners back in, so they can, so we can get some more blocks quicker. Our 4-hour estimated right now, so we're due a block, but for some reason, about once a day we get that block that takes 2-3 times as long as it should, and then we get back to back to back to back. So it's right now difficulty. Actually, I saw it at 104 yesterday, so it's a little bit down from yesterday, and so it's definitely changing. If you don't know, I see it a lot. You can get on the web miner here. Guys, please give us a share out. Give me a share out so we can get some more people in here. And, you know, hopefully the voice thing fixes itself. I'll have to probably dumb it down and go with a lower resolution for Facebook purposes only. But I did a couple live videos today and it seemed like it wasn't bad, but don't know, maybe it's that. And it could be the fact that it's getting restreamed could also be part of the problem, a lag issue there, to get out onto YouTube, Twitch, all of the different channels that are out there. Oops, hold on, drop some. And so that could be part of the issue, guys. But I'm excited about our new pool. You know, people are like, I would rather just mine ETN. And that's great. It's great. You know, what you want to mine. You know, people want to mine ETN. That's awesome. It's 2.3 cents or something. But I'm actually making, if you don't want to hold Stellite, that you can't trade those into whatever you want to and go buy ETN, that's up to you. You know, right now, we're stacking this coin and holding it, and it's doing good for us. So, can't complain at all about it. Free coins. So, you know, we'll go over to Syndicate, my Syndicate wallet, and the staking is showing 12,593. Let me make sure my spreadsheet is updated. 12,593. I think we saw it was at what, 55 cents? Staying right around there. So update that spreadsheet for swap on the 8th of May and change their blockchain up a bit. So right now the staking is really not paying out much. Staking or masternode for that reason, but you know, so we're just bearing with it like we always do. It looks like masternode's paid out, and then, you know, the staking's paid out today as well. I have to go to transactions for that. So main wallet, mine, see, it's only giving me like 5 or 10, maybe 15 a day right now. And I don't know if that has to do with the changes they've made or what, but it's definitely being said, you can see that I'm not getting any of these question marks too much anymore. It's all, hey, this is your, here you go, 5 coins. So gonna stay with that. and try to make that happen. Hey Nas, how's it going, buddy? Good to see you. So that's working pretty good still. I mean, we're still getting coins. We've earned 2,630 coins since we started staking. Definitely has slowed down the progress. I stopped tracking the days right now because it's really, the daily average is just it's really gonna just drop because they're not paying out like they were. Swap blockchains and then get back going, and we'll just keep you informed and keep you updated on how that's going. So, you know, that's about all we can do with that. So we're gonna continue to keep everybody updated as much as possible on that. Let's see, we can flip over to the bot. Gonna go down. You can see a lot of reds here on the bot. Part of the market dropping. I'm gonna go ahead, if you don't know about the bot, I'm gonna go ahead and drop my link. You can use it or not use it. It's up to you. You get 30 days free trial. But I'll drop it in here for you. And just if you do use this link, feel free to ask to come over to the uCrypto Hoppers Facebook group, and we will bring you in there, help you out, help you get some settings set up, get you in some good situations. Not every day is a winner, as you can see from today. It's kind of a beating, but it's all good. We're still plugging along. I keep getting kind of stung, like it's placing sell orders and then the market's dropping. So you can see down here that it's like 0.61 negative and 1.29 negative and 1.37. So that's when it's triggering the stop loss and falling back quicker than. Nothing to do about that. Again, on Binance and Bittrex, pretty much the same deal going on. It looks like on Bittrex, the Hopper's got a bunch of, got some buys going in, and, you know, some profitable situations over there right now. So, you know, and a lot of these reds are like 0.41, 0.40, and then they start getting bigger. So you just gotta wait them out and, you know, keep enough in here. I got 0.2 BTC to still buy and trade with. So it's appears to still be working good for me. Gonna keep it rolling, and you know, keep that working. So, you know, feel free to limited amount of pairs and a longer duration on trades, but I'm still if you go to stats, I'm still buying 60 something a day and selling 60 something a day. For the most part, it's, you know, pretty even. So looks pretty good. Definitely nothing to complain about. Not gonna cry about it. Can you use never sell at a loss option to fix that selling in red? Well, the problem is, as I see it anyway, is you get the spikes, right? I guess you could. It doesn't bother me to hold it. I'm looking at possibly putting in a stop. What I don't want to happen is for it to start falling and it'll buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell and just continue to lose and wipe out my existing thing here. Right now, I'm holding some that are lower than what we've got, obviously. I just want to keep enough in play to keep profiting. Yeah, I'm making on it. Best I can tell, total BTC returns. I'll pop up the calculator here. Let me cancel that out. 0.31485309. That's on this spot. let me go over to the Binance bot, and we'll add the 0.12. Now, Binance has only been running for 2 weeks today. The other one's been running for a little bit over a month over on Bittrex. So, up half a Bitcoin. Total returns, 0.52. Let's see what that is currently. Let me move the calculator over here so it doesn't minimize and I can type in. Where is it? Right here. XE converter is what I typically use. We got 0.52901121. Between the two bots, a little over a month, $4,746 at the current. So it is profiting. So, you know, we have some wiggle room. Now, granted, if you started 2 days ago and the market dropped today, might be a little bit iffy looking for you. But, you know, is what it is. Yes, I do have a Redcoin wallet. I'm not real happy with Redcoin, actually, because I've been staking this the same amount of days as I've been staking Syndicate. I started out with roughly the same amount of coins that I started over with Syndicate, and I've only gotten 45 coins, maybe 46 if you put all the dust on the end. So, Redcoin, staking Redcoin, unless you got a bunch of them, I mean a lot, then probably not for me. But is what it is, you know. Yeah, I mean, I got 43 on the 12th and 2.54 on the 14th of April, and have received none since. And it says that I should get every 47 days I should get something. That's not too bueno for me. So, not real happy with the Redcoin staking. I am, however, happy that Redcoin has come up in value a bit since just not a heap. But I've got other coins where I'm not making a heap either, so and you know, to be honest with you, I think I've got $100 in Redcoin. Not really good on there. No, I've got not 45K. I got 45 coins. I've got 45 coins off of them. I've got 11,585 red coins. I'm not a big red coin holder. I just got some. I can pull my crypto compare up over here and show you the daily. Where's it at? Bam. I use crypto compare ups and downs, and you know, I'll reload it so you guys will be up to date. It's probably, I'm down $3,400 today. But over 30 days, I guess, I'm up $9,762. You know, so can't complain. A lot of these coins, I've got very little invested in, so I'm not going to complain about them. Stellite, I've got, let me see, make sure that's right, 45,338. Yep, so that's accurate, but it's not being tracked because it's not on one of the exchanges that they query. That I've paid out of pocket, it's $1,140. You know, yesterday Neo was 90 something dollars and today it's $80, so that's you know, it goes up and down. I've got some Burst coin, Electronium, obviously, still holding my Electronium, 90,748. That's actually a little bit off. I probably, a little bit better. Actually, I started with 5K on the bot with Bittrex, and then put another 5K in on Binance. So I've got 10,000 invested. Looks like what I say it was. We're at 4,747% overall, something like that. So, and again, Binance has only been running for 2 weeks, guys. I've only had that bot going for 2 weeks. So definitely pulling some profit. You know, but when the market does this on the end, it's kind of hard to do anything for it. I'm just trying to grow my Bitcoin, right? So try to grow the Bitcoin and get it to you know, hopefully Bitcoin recovers and hits the moon like it did, and I have more Bitcoin than what I started with, and you know, it's working out pretty good so far. So not gonna, so I guess if you add 5 hours, that's 1 o'clock in the morning or midnight somewhere else in the world where the hopper is based out of. And you know, just try to keep it real and show you guys, you know, my results. You know, I think Shadow, you started with how, if you don't mind, put in here how much you started with and where you're at now, if you don't mind. Total. Your total return. Because I know you've reset your screen a couple times. So, you know, I'm happy with it right now. Not going to complain about the. There are more settings I could put on it and do some changes. So you've turned 600 into 1,127. So Shadow's almost doubled his money using the exact same strategy that I'm using. You know, and we confer back and forth a lot. So it's a good thing, you know, that we have a group where we can share these things, and if we find little tips and hints, you know, there's more settings that I could put on here, guys. I don't have I've got some pretty basic settings on here. I like to pick and choose my losses, so I don't have a stop loss at this. Selling off at little losses and buying, and if it goes up right away, then it sells. And you know, but what I notice is that there's, you know, some big dips, and if it buys 10 positions and it dips steep and sells them all off, then I'm going to take a pretty big whack right out of the gate. But so right now I like the settings. They're doing good. I mean, there's no need to really change. It's kind of hard to predict anything, so that's why I'm using a bot. If I wanted to do it all myself, then I wouldn't use a bot at all. I'd just manually buy and sell myself. So, you know, my thing was trying to get this number up here, the buys and sells, to get it 2%. I should be growing my positions, so it should start compounding. That's the thought process behind it anyway. You know, but you know, everybody's got an opinion on it, so you know, it's definitely not a financial advisor, just showing you guys what we do and how we look at things. And I say we, I'm so used to doing this show with Doc that I use we, and you know, we are not financial advisors. I'm definitely not a financial advisor. You know, so these are things that we try to do. I haven't even looked over at CCN in a minute, guys, so we'll go over there and see if there's any good news going on today. It says Circle Invest adds Zcash trading in bid to compete with Coinbase. So that's pretty good. Goldman Sachs. Dubai police arrest suspects behind $1.9 million Bitcoin heist. Comcast Ventures executive. There's real value in Bitcoin and blockchain, Comcast says. Crypto exchange Coinbase thinks it's worth $8 billion. 30% off. Venezuela offers India cheap crude oil on a discount if paid in petro. I don't know if petro's legit, but what I will say is I'm glad to see that they're trying to bring other countries into using the currency, using crypto. So that's pretty good. Now, them buying the petro, I guess, also profits Venezuela, right? So that's not bad. See, it says there's only 4 million Bitcoin left to be mined. Bunches of news. I'm not going to go into reading a bunch of the story. You know, a little bit long, and it gets boring. I think it's boring to hear me read. So, you know, some good stuff over there. I haven't been over to CoinFeed. Let's see if CoinFeed, am I still trending over there, guys? I have no idea. I haven't looked in a long time. So, still me over here. Let's go to the home page. Look, still trending on their trending list. Coinfeed.co.uk. I'm trending more than their web pages. They're number 4. They're number 5, sorry. I'm number 3 and 4. So that's pretty interesting stuff. I think it's pretty exciting. So you guys have gotten quiet on me. Have we disconnected or something? I mean, I don't see you guys commenting. Pop this up here. Maybe we'll get lucky and hit a block while we're watching the show. Looks like the kilohash has come back up and our time to block is dropped. So, there you go. Zeph's throwing some thumbs up. Appreciate that. We got 12. No, I'm not drinking a 40. I'm drinking Arnold Palmer light half and half tea today. So, no, in the refrigerator. So, definitely if you guys are interested in the bot or interested in masternodes or staking. Matter of fact, let me go over there. We could talk about some of that tonight. How about that? Since I'm flying solo, I get to pick and choose what I want to talk about. How about that? So I like to look at Masternodes Pro, guys. Some of these masternodes are expensive for the layperson, and I consider myself that exactly. So, you know, I like to go. I know Polis is doing pretty good for Jesse, and I've been looking at this Rupea, but you know, they're a couple grand a piece. So, what I want to show you guys is we can flip this around to minimum worth. I think Arctic Coin is dead, so I don't know that I would go there. But when you scroll down a bit, this shekel says that it's paying 239%, and you can buy one for $294. That's 25,000 Jew coins. Not being racist, that's what it is. JEW is the call letter. And OCN. Okay. You can get. I'm not real interested in the 60%ers. I would like to be able to get, at least 100% or something like that. Crowdcoin 174%. Harvest Masternode coin, $349, and it pays 176%, so that's $50 a month, $79 for Crowdcoin. Hell, this one, Innova, if you look at it, it says you lose money, $11.20. So I don't know about all these coins that are listed on here. It would definitely be something to look into. Obviously, with the market down, all these are going to be down. Then Crave Coin is like $1,000, but it only pays you $57 a month. So $1,000 and less, you can find some in here, guys. And if you're lucky and the price drops down, you can get them pretty cheap because of the requirements on the masternodes, like 1,000 coins, 5,000 coins. I mean, you can buy this masternode for $85. Now, granted, it only pays you $6 a month, so don't know that that's real profitable. But Mad Coin's paying 124%. You can buy a masternode for $94. It pays $9.80 a month. So B3 Coin, and they were. Yeah, Syndicate, I do think is really good, but right now it's in such limbo with the trade or the swap that's coming up on the 8th that we just don't know. And I mean, I went from literally making 70, 80 coins a day down to like 10 or 15 between a masternode and staking. So that takes the profitability right on out of it. So let's hope on the 8th that that everything is back up and running correctly and we start getting those coins back. Otherwise, I don't know if it makes it worth holding it. $7 a day or something. That's not bad, but it's not great. Not great as it was. So definitely some stuff out there. Core has been jumping up and down. I know that from the bot, and you can see it on the little thing here, but that costs almost $2,000 and it pays $50 a month. Now, if the price goes up, then obviously that's going to go up. I looked at this Geo coin here. It pays 504% a year. So it costs $2,400 for a masternode, and it pays out $1,000 a month. So 2.5 months return on when we started. So there's definitely some coins out there that you can masternode and stake for, cheap, and then some in the, $1,000-$2,000 range. And then, it goes on up, right? I mean, it can go on up, and the idea is if you can get it on the cheap, like, a little while ago, you could get a Syndicate masternode for $1,500. We were talking about it on the show. Right now, it costs 5,000 coins for a masternode times 55 cents. It's $27.50 for the same masternode. So, if you bought the dip on Syndicate, then you got a pretty good deal out of it. Right now, Syndicate's definitely been keeping an eye on these masternodes and trying to figure out where to go with that as far as which ones to get into. Just, you know, everything looks kind of red, which actually is good for buying the coin to get in to the masternode. But some of these masternodes for me are just like crazy. Like when you go to, you look at Dash. To buy a masternode of Dash, you need 1,000 Dash. That costs $457,000. But it pays almost $3,000 a month. So had you bought a Dash masternode way back when it first came out and got on board with it, you'd be cranking out the cash. You know, you'd just be off at $3,000 a month. So, you know, you got masternodes now that are in the like 4. Cost 21 grand and pays $734 a month. Dash is only paying 7.55%, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when it's, you know, $2,800 a month if you got it on the cheap, then you're in good shape right now. So that's kind of, but it's like anything. It's a gamble, right? You buy the coins and you just don't know what's going to happen to them, where they're going to go, what they're going to do, and things of that nature. So, I'm really looking hard at this, especially since that, you know, could make a small virtual. Yeah, I do. I tried to stream in 1080p tonight, and that's probably lagging. So, and I don't even think it's that, because I streamed in 1080p earlier today, and it was fine. But I think when we push it through the restream to, you know, to push it out and restream it, I think that lag in there is what kills it. But if I kill that restream right now, it would kill the feed. So trying to stay with it. I apologize about the sound. Maybe I need to just dumb it down and do it less high def, you know. I don't look as sexy in low def, but that's probably a beneficial thing for you guys. So, probably could make a virtual machine on the server and run a few masternodes right out of there. And, you know, you can use Volter if you're into masternodes. Let me see if I can pull that up. I don't even know if I've got a link over there. I don't think I do. Let me see. Log in. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Oh, I do. All right, cool. So I'll drop that in here. So if you're into masternoding and staking and all of that, and you want to use a VPS, I do have a referral link right here that I'll just drop. Most things are like 10%, but it's like $5 or $2.50, or, you know, it's cheap. That's where I'm running my masternode for Syndicate, and it's really simple to set up the cloud server. So that's, you know, that's an option for you. But, you know, it's any of you guys got masternodes on anything that you're running other than Syndicate? And if so, how's that doing for you? That's the key. Hey Tony, I gotta ask you, buddy, since we have such, you like Mr. Tony. This I got hooked on these in the 70s when I was a kid. And I'm probably like the only person on the planet that buys them. But, bam. Chicken and a biscuit. I don't know if you've ever eaten these crackers, but I love them. And then, my wife fell into the FOMO advertising on the back of Easy Cheese. So, she brought me an Easy Cheese can. I don't usually eat Easy Cheese on my chicken and a biscuit, but I will try it now. I will try it this evening when it's snack time. So, cheese in a can. What's not the love, right, Andy? Also brought me some of this. She kind of went to the store and just started dropping snacks at me. I don't know if you've tried this, but it's called Black and White Drizzle Corn. But it's popcorn, and it's got like chocolate, and I don't know if it's caramel or caramel, however you want to say it, where you're located, on it. So you can see I'm not always the healthy eater. I don't know, it doesn't say. It says black and white. Maybe it's just got the chocolate drizzled on it. I don't know. But it's good stuff too. I keep snacks around. I get the munchies. So a hella deep. Come on over here. I could be down with Easy Cheese. Okay, there you go. So, you know, I don't have. Oh, I do. I'm almost English. I've got tea and biscuits right here. So, so you know, guys, we've been. Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. It's the. I think it's the delay between the Wirecast and the Restream, guys. With the voice mixed with Marlboros and everything else. That's my next thing. I'm going to quit smoking. I just got to pick a date and say that's it. No more after that. So definitely if you guys are into some masternodes and different ones other than Syndicate and have some opinions on them and what you're running, let us know, man, because I would love to explore some more options over there and, you know, try to make that happen as soon as possible. And other than that, guys, I didn't have a whole heck of a lot to go over tonight. Just wanted to keep the party going, so to speak, and oh, look at that. Crypto Hopper, error 500. There we go. Back. We're back. There we go. So it's still buying. Still buying some positions. It's good news. It looks like it's trying to sell some ontology at 1.65%. Something like that. I don't know. We'll see. So, still working. Still doing its thing. Just going to let it roll like we always do. Matt, I'm staking Syndicate and Redcoin right now. Syndicate was going kick ass. It was doing really well, and they decided, unbeknownst to me, that they were at the time that they were going to be doing a token swap on the 8th, and the token swap really. They're changing the blockchain up and stuff like that, so they're running through some issues. I'm still getting, but not the 70 that we were getting before, and that's with a masternode and staking. And you know, I think they've all but put it to a halt so they could do that swap, and then hopefully it'll pick back up after that point, and we'll see. Hopefully everything goes good and resumes. Otherwise, we'll give you a up-to-date evaluation on that, and see how that's going. But Redcoin don't do shit staking, at least not for me. Some other people might have more and getting coins more often, but not doing too well on the Redcoin. On 1,593 Syndicate, and that in itself, I've got it on the spreadsheet, guys. We've staked 2,630 coins since the 22nd of March. So a month and 8 days. And it started to slow down. So this would be 38 days, right? A month and 8 days. Say 38. See, it's dropped from 75 down to 69 average per day. And that's only because we had a good running start beforehand. So it's now is at 55 cents. They're doing a swap. Let me see if I can put, where's my Telegram? Did I close Telegram out? Maybe, oh no, it's still here. Let me go to Syndicate, and I will open up their pinned post, hopefully. I'll read it. It says, as many of you already know, Syndicate is upgrading. Recently, we found that a third party is using an exploit to speed up their masternode and proof-of-stake rewards. We concluded that we need to stop the party to sell their coins and affect the price stability. After many discussions, this was our best option to protect our community and its interest. It says, on the 23rd of April, you will be able to withdraw your coins from Cryptopia. They won't support our swap because Syncs is a veteran coin on their exchange. They will give us the opportunity of a new listing for the new chain with a reduced fee until 8th of May. You should withdraw all of your coins from Cryptopia in your wallet. It says, in other news, Bittrex will support our swap, although they might not open the wallet for transfers until the swap day. We are working closely with them to keep the even simple and professional. Okay, so it's a little typo. You can still keep your masternode or wallet open to receive rewards. We are preparing updated guides for users to set up trustless proof-of-stake transactions in masternodes. Reminder, on 8th of May 2018, we will perform a blockchain transfer from the old chain to the new one. Syndicate will be upgrading to a new proof-of-stake 3.0 with masternode consensus mechanism and blockchain. Your existing Syndicate coins will be mapped one-to-one on the new chain if you will hold your coins in your wallet or on Bittrex exchange at the swap date. Note, Bittrex will be closing the Syncs wallet and stop trading the token you had sent to Bittrex are not settled, marked as pending, by 6 p.m. Pacific time on 5, it says PT, which is not PST. So on 5/8/2018, it says 1 a.m. on 5/9/2018 UTC, you may not be credited with Syndicate. And then they have a Bittrex, and it's a very long post over there with how they're trying to balance things out and get things fixed. So if you have, matter of fact, someone please tell Sharon, that's one of the uCrypto mods. Matter of fact, let me just copy this. It's the mod chat. If I can find the doggone mod chat, let me see, recent. Show older. I get so many messages, guys. Alright, so I'm going to post this in mod chat for Sharon. At Sharon. Alright, does that work? No. Oh, no wonder. Sharon Moran. All right, there we go. Post that over there. So definitely it says if you have them on Cryptopia, pull them out. Pull them out over there. So yeah, we have not left ETN on. ETN is one single cryptocurrency, and we talk about all things cryptocurrency related. Definitely still support ETN. There's nothing there, right? Or nothing, nothing, no reason why we haven't left ETN, but we got tired of posting stuff and people telling us, why are you posting this in an ETN group? And was and is where we started the group, and why we've made some changes. No, we were averaging, Andy, about, when it started, about $45 a day. And now it's trickling off because of the date change. But no, we haven't left ETN at all. The fact of the matter is, ETN, we've got a lot of people in our group. That's how the group started, is Electronium. But we do a show every night, and it's about all things crypto. And I work for Titanium, and I was posting stuff for Titanium. 50 messages, or why are you posting this in a Titanium news in an ETN group? So it's a crypto group. So, we try to diversify and help people to, learn more about crypto than just ETN. Because if you've got all of your eggs in just ETN, then you kind of go up and down with what ETN's doing. And we've all seen ETN at 22 cents, and now it's at 2 cents. So, luckily, knock on wood, that was not my only investment, and hopefully it wasn't everybody else's only investment. And, we love ETN. We're just keeping it going, trying to grow our wealth, and hope, and we're just showing you what we do and how we do it, and stuff like that. We try to keep it real. We don't like I see so many people that arbitrarily want to join the group, and then when their first post is nothing but excuse me, nothing but hey, turn your $100 into $10,000 using my referral link, we squash them right away and get them out of the group, because we try to keep it clean with good stuff and good information. And so that's what we try to do. It's not not anything that we're hiding from it before it ever gets into the group, so you guys don't see it. And hopefully everybody appreciates the fact that they can go to a group, and if there's a legitimate company or coin or something like that, post it in there, or stuff like that. So nothing negative. We love ETN. We stand with ETN. We're still holding. I mean, Pierre's got over 2 million. I've got just under 100,000, and we're just holding it. So, hopefully you guys stick with us and do your thing. And everybody's got different levels of investments they can do, and amounts that they can invest. So we're trying to show people different ways they can grow bot, stuff like that. ICOs, when we get a good one. Matter of fact, hopefully we'll have 2 CEOs on this week. Right now we've got 1 CEO and one
lawyer and tax advisor from Australia, going to be on Wednesday, and just trying to keep it real. So anyway, guys, it's been great. Been on for a little bit over an hour. Going to keep it a short show tonight. Not much that we can more that we can cover. We can sit here and look at the let me see, where's it at? Boom, probably right here. Yep. Look at the pool. Still waiting to hit that block. I appreciate all of you, and I will end this now. And Shadow, yes, I will call you, bud. All right, guys, we'll talk to you in a bit. Have a great night. Bye-bye.